Acer Incorporated is a Taiwanese multinational hardware and electronics corporation headquartered in Xizhi, New Taipei City, Taiwan. Acer's products include desktop and laptop PCs, tablet computers, servers, storage devices, displays, smartphones and peripherals. It also provides e-business services to businesses, governments and consumers. In 2013, Acer was the fourth largest personal computer vendor in the world. In the early 2000s, Acer implemented a new business model, shifting from a manufacturer to a designer, marketer and distributor of products, while performing production processes via contract manufacturers. In addition to its core business, Acer also owns the largest franchised computer retail chain in Taipei, Taiwan. Acer's current and former slogan, S/Tagline, S, is Explore Beyond Limits, and we're empowering people, and empowering technology, respectively. History: Acer was founded by Stan Shi, his wife Carolyn Ye, and a group of 5 others as Multitech in 1976, headquartered in Hsinchu City, Taiwan. It began with 11 employees and $25,000 in capital. Initially, it was primarily a distributor of electronic parts and a consultant in the use of microprocessor technologies. It produced the Microprocessor MPFI training kit, then 2 Apple II clones. The Microprocessor 2 and 3 before joining the emerging IBM PC-compatible market, and becoming a significant PC manufacturer. The company was renamed Acer in 1987. 1990s, creating multinational brand, considering 2 consecutive quarters of net losses in Q2 plus Q3 2011 and a realization they are selling too many products. 101 individual notebook, netbook and Chromebook SKUs in the United States alone. Acer will cut product lines by 2/3 beginning in 2012. Growth and netbook raise. Acer increased worldwide sales while simultaneously reducing its labor force by identifying and using marketing strategies that best utilized their existing distribution channels. By 2005, Acer employed a scant 7,800 people worldwide. Revenues rose from $4.9 billion in 2003 to $11.31 billion in 2006. Acer's North American market share has slipped over the past few years, while in contrast, the company's European market share has risen. In the mid-2000s years, consumer notebooks have been almost the sole growth drivers for the PC industry, and Acer's exceptionally low overheads and dedication to the channel had made it one of the main beneficiaries of this trend. Acer grew quickly in Europe in part by embracing the use of more traditional distribution channels targeting retail consumers when some rivals were pursuing online sales and business customers. In 2007, Acer bought Gateway in the USA and Packard Bell in Europe and became the number 3 world provider of computers and number 2 for notebooks, and achieved significant improvement in profitability. Acer has been striving to become the world's largest PC vendor, in the belief that the goal can help it achieve economy of scale and garner higher margin. But such a reliance on the high-volume, low-value PC market made Acer exposed when buying habits changed. 2013 reorganization. On November 2013, Chairman and CEO J.T. Wang, and President Jim Wong, both resigned due to the company's bad financial performance. Wang had already been reportedly due to leave Acer at year's end to be replaced by Wong. Acer founder Stan Shi has taken over as board chairman and interim president as the company searches for a new candidate to assume the role of presidency. The position of CEO will be eliminated and its responsibilities transferred to the chairman or president, according to Acer, in order to improve decision-making efficiency. On December 23, Acer named Jason Chen, Vice President of Worldwide Sales and Marketing at Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing, as its new president and CEO, effective January 1. Entertainment industry executive and former actress Nancy Hu was named CFO and spokesperson as of May 1, 2014. Acquisitions. In 1988, Acer acquired Counterpoint Computers. In 1990, Acer acquired Altos Computer Corporation. On August 27, 2007, Acer announced plans to acquire its US-based rival Gateway, Incorporated for $710 million. Acer's chairman, Gentang Wang, stated that the acquisition completes Acer's global footprint by strengthening our United States presence. Included in this acquisition was the eMachines brand. In January 2008, Acer announced that it had acquired a controlling interest of 75% of Packard Bell. In March 2008, Acer acquired E10. In 2009, Acer acquired 29.9% of Olidata. In August 2010, Acer and Founder Technology signed a memorandum of mutual understanding to strengthen their long-term PC business cooperation. In July 2011, Acer Inc. bought iGuare Inc. for $320 million to try possible potentially lucrative cloud market. iGuare creates cloud software and infrastructure tools for devices. Figures: April 29, 2010. Acer announced revenue in Q1 rose 36% year-on-year to 162.1 billion new Taiwan dollars and its net profit increased 63% to 3.29 billion new Taiwan dollars. 27% of revenue comes from the U.S. Gianfranco Lanci announced that Acer will launch 4 new smartphones by Q3 2010, and a series of Internet devices by the end of May which will run version 4.0 of its Shell user interface. According to Gartner and IDC, Acer now ranks number 1 worldwide in notebook shipments. Operations: North America. Acer America Corporation, headquartered in San Jose, California, is a member of the Acer Group. Acer's R&D, engineering, manufacturing and marketing operations in the United States and Canada are handled by Acer America. The U.S. headquarters was opened with a staff of 3 in 1985. As Multitech Electronics USA, in Mountain View, California. In 1986, the U.S. headquarters was moved to San Jose, California. In September 1990, Acer acquired Altos Computer Systems, one of the top manufacturers of multi-user and networked Unix computer systems for commercial markets. In February 1997, Acer acquired Texas Instruments' mobile computing business, including the award-winning TravelMate and Extensor notebook lines, making Acer the 4th leading notebook manufacturer in the United States. Acer America's Canadian office, in Mississauga, Ontario, handles repair of Acer, Gateway, and eMachine notebooks and desktop PCs for Eastern Canada. Acer has several facilities in Temple, Texas, including a repair facility, a parts warehouse, and a call center. In the words of its chief executive, J.T. Wang, OE building a brand is very different in the U.S. The investment at the initial stage has to be very big otherwise there is almost no impact Australia. The Australian subsidiary of Acer is Acer Computer Australia. The subsidiary was established in 1990, and is currently Australia's 3rd largest personal computer vendor, behind Hewlett-Packard Australia and Dell Australia and New Zealand. Acer Computer Australia has Australia's highest overall market share in notebook PC and tablet PC sales. The company is also Australia's leading PC vendor in government and education markets. Acer Computer Australia has 480 employees as of 2006. India. Acer's subsidiary in India is Acer India Limited, and was incorporated as a wholly owned subsidiary of Acer Computer International, Limited in 1999. It is a notable vendor in key segments such as education, desktop computers and low-profile notebooks for education. The headquarters are in Bangalore, India. Europe. From the late 90s to mid-2000s Acer had computer factories in Europe too. The business area was the whole EMEA. In the Netherlands under the name of Acer IMSBV there were 2 factories, Acer Laptop Factory in Den Bosch and Acer and IBM Desktop Factory in Tilburg. Acer had also facilities in Germany under the name of IMS in Ahrensburg and Hamburg. The factory in Tilburg produced also, in limited quantities, various Acer server models and even TV set-top boxes. In their prime the monthly production could reach over 40,000 desktop PCs per month, well rivaling the main Acer factories in USA and Taiwan. In year 2000 Acer extracted its computer production under the branch of Wistron. Also the Dutch branch Acer IMS BV and the German brand IMS were merged with this. Despite the successful production model developed in the Dutch factories, both plants were relocated in 2002. The laptop factory was relocated to mainland China and the desktop factory was relocated to Hungary. Soon the Hungarian factory was also moved to mainland China. Acer is a popular brand in Bulgaria as well. Linux. Acer has shipped some of their notebooks and more recently netbooks, with various Linux operating system distributions including Ubuntu, Linux, Android, and Google Chrome OS. They have also launched a line of smartphones and tablets with Android. Logo. From 1987 until 2001 the company used red-blue logo with diamond in the right side and the A and A were capital letters. On March 8, 2001 a new logo was introduced, in which the Acer diamond was abandoned. It was created by Lander Associates. The new logo came out following spun-off of Acer's contract manufacturing business to focus on its brand business. The latest logo that was introduced in 2011 uses a different typeface with more rounded corners and the E doesn't stand out from the other letters anymore. The new logo also uses a different shade of green, which has been dubbed Acer Green. Products. Business desktops, Acer Veriton series, business notebooks, Acer TravelMate series, Acer Extensor series, Chromebooks, Acer AC700, Acer C710, Acer C720, Acer C720, Acer C720p, computer displays, G series, P series, H series, X series, B series, V series, S series, T series, D series, MO monitor TV series, consumer desktops. Acer Aspire Desktop Series, Acer Aspire Predator Series, consumer notebooks, Acer Aspire Notebook Series, Acer Aspire Timeline Series, Acer Ferrari Product Series, Acer Iconia, Home Network Solutions, Acer Clear Fee, Mobile Phones, Acer Cloud Mobile, Acer Allegro, Acer Tempo Series, Acer Liquid Series, Acer B-Touch, Acer Neo Touch, Acer Stream, Acer E110, Acer DX, Acer F, Acer Iconia, Acer T, Acer X960, Netbooks. Acer Aspire 1 Series, Ferrari 1, Netops, Acer Aspire Revo, Projectors, Professional Series, Home Series, Travel Series, Value Series, Servers and Storage, Acer Server F1 Series, Tower Series, T110 F1, T115 F1, T150 F1, T310 F1, T350 F1. Rack Series, A160 F1, A180 F1, R320 F1, R360 F1, R380 F1, R385 F1, R585 F1. Blade Series, B2X285 F1, B2X280 F1, B460 F1. Gemini Series, B1170 F1, B2170 F1, B2170T, B2175 F1, Home Server Series, H340, H341, H342, Altos Acer M2, Acer Storage Series, N500 F1, N1600 F1, HNAS 3080, GS 2040, AMS 2100, AMS 2300, tablets. Acer Iconia Tab Series, television, AT Series, other, digital cameras, personal digital assistants, automotive navigation systems, Acer Pica, brands, Acer, E-Machines, Gateway, Packard Bell, Environmental Record. In 2005, Acer published its first environmental report, for which the company used the GRI guidelines. All of Acer Euro 1 registered trademark S Tier 1 suppliers have acquired ISO 14001 certification. In November 2011, Acer was ranked 12th place out of 15 in Greenpeace Euro 1 registered trademark S relaunched Guide to Greener Electronics, with the A score of 2.9 points out of 10. The guide ranks electronics makers according to their policies and practices to reduce their impact on the climate, produce greener products, and make their operations more sustainable. Greenpeace criticized the company for not setting out targets to reduce greenhouse gas emissions as intended in 2010 and for not providing external verification for the GHG emissions it reports for its operations and business travel. It also scored badly on the product's criteria, receiving no points on product life cycle, while Greenpeace noted that a higher percentage of its products need to meet or exceed Energy Star standards in order for it to score more points. It received some praise for launching new products which are free from polyvinyl chloride plastic and brominated flame retardants, and the company informed Greenpeace that the majority of its products will be PVC-BFR free in the near future. Acer also scored well on chemical management for lobbying for restrictions on organohalogens and was commended for reporting on GHG emissions from its first-tier suppliers and investigating its second-tier. In its 2012 report on progress relating to conflict minerals, the Enough project rated Acer the 7th highest of 24 consumer electronics companies. Sponsorships: Acer sponsored the Bar Honda Formula One racing team in the year 2000. In 2001, Acer provided sponsorship to the Prost Grand Prix Formula One team, and the team's Ferrari engines were badged as Acers. Acer sponsored the Ferrari Formula One team from 2003 up to 2012 and its top sponsor of FC Internazionale Euro Milano Football Club. From 2007 to 2009, Acer has been official supplier of FC Barcelona. On March 19, 2007, Acer announced it will sponsor the factory Fiat Yamaha team for the 2007 MotoGP World Championship season. From 2009, Packard Bell is the sponsor of Yamaha factory racing team. Since 2010, Acer support Army United FC, the Thai football team of the Thai Premier League. Acer has been worldwide TOP partners for both the Vancouver 2010 Olympic Winter Games and Singapore Youth Olympic Games. Acer was TOP partner of the London 2012 Summer Olympics. On July 19, 2011, Acer formed a professional gaming team. The company currently supports from around the world who represent Acer in games such as StarCraft 2, Trackmania, and FIFA Soccer. See also: Acer Value Line, E10, E-Machines, Packard Bell, Gateway, Incorporated. BenQ, formerly Acer CM, ACC, Open, formerly Acer Open, List of companies in Taiwan. Microprocessor 1, Acer's first product, List of computer system manufacturers, Ali, formerly Acer Laboratories Incorporated, References. External links, Official website.